Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Jeremy here. Today we're gonna see a $4 million home here in Hawaii. But before we do that, I wanna tell you guys about how I got to this home in the first place. So here we go. So I have a very wealthy friend who lives here, and I told him about this idea and he said, sure.
What? Where am I right now?
Hey, thanks for picking me up, man.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Philip.
Philip, nice to meet you, Philip. You're the man. So I told my friend if I could, do a house tour of his home, and he said yes. And he asked his driver to pick me up. So yes, my friend is very wealthy. He can afford a driver, and he picked me up, and I thought it was pretty cool. So in this neighborhood, this is in a place called Hawaii Loa Ridge. And as you can see here, that there is a security gate and a security guard. So this neighborhood is very secure. To get through here, if you're a visitor, you need to show your ID. They scan your ID, they ask for your address and everything. But as you see here, we have a sensor on the car, so we just, ran right through. But this neighborhood is so nice, so secure, so secluded. And as you can see here, we're going way up the hill, and you can already see how the view is gonna be. And when you see later, the view in this home is incredible. And depending on which curve you're taking, you can have ocean views from pretty much anywhere where you live in this neighborhood. So as you can see, we're still going up to the top. And what's cool about this specific house is that it is in a gated community inside a gated community. So this gated community is called the Pointe. And this is, even more secure if it's inside a gated community within a gated community. So here you can see the view is amazing as you're going down this part of the hill. But we're gonna take a left here where the house is. And yeah, so we enter the driveway, and
I think he's gonna open my door.
the driver opened my door, which was pretty cool.
Thanks, Phil, you're the man.
And another thing that was cool was that I noticed
Some Gucci shoes.
the driver had Gucci shoes. So my friend, one day he told me that he bought Gucci shoes for his driver, and I thought that was pretty cool. So here's the driveway right here, and here is the front door. For privacy reasons, my friend asked to not be in the video, which it kind of makes sense when you're kind of at this level. But anyway, when you walk in, you can see the giant windows and all that space, and down below was like a little loft. And as you can see here, there are stairs, but yes, right here, this is an elevator. So I was like, hey, let's take the elevator, why not? So this home is a 3-story home. It's 4 bedrooms, 5.5 baths. It was built in 2007, and it actually sold in 2016 for $3.6 million. So as you can see, here's a view from the living room as we're going down. But we're gonna go to the bottom level first. I wanna show you guys the kitchen and the living room. But here we go, I'm gonna close the elevator door. That is so convenient. And when you're living here, you have to be like a multi-millionaire to afford this home. And we're gonna go first to the kitchen. So here's the kitchen and the living room. And since it was built in 2007, you can tell the designs are a little bit older, but it's still so beautiful. And I see on the kitchen sitting there is a bottle of Opus One. And if you guys didn't know, Opus One is a very, very expensive wine. I think that bottle was like $500. And yeah, I decided to pour myself a glass, because why not? But here is the fridge. The right side is the fridge, the left side is the freezer. In the middle, you have a wine fridge, and I think my friend had like $10,000 worth of wine in there. But anyway, here's the rest of the kitchen. There's 2 dishwashers, 2 ovens, and a microwave in one of those drawers. Here is the pantry where all the goodies are, as you can see. And here is the rest of the pantry. There's a freezer there. And here is another bathroom. This bathroom is meant for, the pool, people to come in and, wash off or use the bathroom, just so you won't get the rest of the house wet. And here's the dining room. And as you can see, this view into the infinity pool is just incredible. I honestly think this is the best view in this neighborhood. I mean, you can see a full 180 degrees, even more. And if you look in the back right here where the patio is, this is where you can entertain guests, and there's Diamond Head. And you usually don't see Diamond Head from this angle, but very incredible. Now we're on the second level, and as you can see, this is the living room. The view from the living room, those big windows are so nice, and I think this is like 30 feet of, 30 feet tall ceilings. I don't know, but it's tall, it's big, and it's very nice. And here is that loft you saw earlier when we first entered the room. There's a sink, I guess, and I don't know. This house is so huge. You could, hang out anywhere, and you could get lost. Here's the master bedroom. I only showed, a few things. I didn't show the closet, for obvious reasons, just for the privacy of my friend. But, it's so huge. And here we'll go to the master bathroom. But, here's more angles of the master bedroom. Over here, there is a bidet that is motion censored. So, when you're rich enough, you don't have to touch anything and put any effort, because, oh, and here's a urinal as well. So we'll make our way to the rest of the master bathroom. This, I don't know, it's just so nice and so luxurious, Here is the bathtub as well. Here is the huge showers. These tall ceilings, I think they're like 10 feet tall. I don't know, probably taller, but this is the inside of the shower. This is what millionaires would, shower, bathe in, just pure luxury. Here's just a window through the bathroom. You can see Diamond Head from here. And then we'll make our way back downstairs. I wanted to get a better view of the living room. So as you can see, the soffits on the ceiling are just so nice. There's just so much detail in this room and the architecture of this home. I mean, you get what you pay for, 3.6 million. That was in 2016. I'm sure right now it could sell for 4 million easy now in 2020. But yeah, this is the view from the living room. I can't imagine, just hanging out here, staring out the window, maybe put a TV over there. But this is, very incredible. And here is one of the other bedrooms. Each bedroom has a bathroom in it, so you really don't have to go anywhere. And these are, automatic shades for the windows, because again, when you're living in luxury, you don't want to put any effort into the simple things like us normal people have to deal with, right? But anyway, as that's going up, this home is very incredible. Again, it was built in 2007. It sold for 3.6 million in 2016. And it is 4,821 square feet. So very nice. And the lot is just over 17,000 square feet. So lots of space, and it's on top of a hill too. So you get the best views. Everything is unobstructed. And here is one of the bathrooms. This too was a bidet, sorry. But yeah, fancy things I can't pronounce. But here is, the shower and the bathtub and the view from the shower, so you can shower naked and have a nice view. But this deck goes all the way out to the pool you saw earlier. And now I'm just gonna, show you guys some drone footage. One of my friends, Andrew, he owns a media company known as Redefine Media. Check him out on Instagram. He does great work, but he did the drone footage for this video. So shout out to you, Andrew. And I'm just gonna stop talking, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the view of this home, this neighborhood, and the rest of the neighborhood around this home. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this, and I hope I can do more luxury videos similar to this that gives you a point of view perspective of what it's like to walk through these magnificent homes. But yep, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, enjoy the rest of this video. Thanks for watching.